So sad about the joining in TCS. TCS is the well standard organization. When you try to join in the organization, don't blindly join in that company. You must have proper documents, especially your previous employment history that should not conflict with your PF account. If you submit proper record, definitely you will not watch this video. If you face any problem, definitely you are watching this video right now. TCS will do standard background verification. You should have proper relieving letter wherever you worked in the past service history, wherever you capture the employment in the resume, wherever it is captured in your PF account. You cannot remove, you cannot delete, hide something in PF account, right? If your employment is recorded somewhere digitally in the cloud, you should have proper relieving documents. This is most important thing, because everybody commenting and saying that the proper documents I don't have relieving letter, and I submitted fake certificate. There is a different company name reflecting in my PF account, but however I submitted different documents. These things will not help in TCS. Not only in TCS, wherever you go, background verification will be failed if they identified before entering into the organization well and good. After joined in an organization, not only in TCS, please understand, they will fire you immediately. They have rights on that because you signed in the offer letter. Offer letter contract will be there. One of the major clause is if you have any discrepancy in your employment history, if you face any background verification related issues, insufficient documents in the background verification, they have rights to fire you. Okay, please understand the concept clearly. If you don't watch my videos, please watch my videos clearly, and please don't send mail to me blindly. Sorry, you should think about it. You think about it and call me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this channel videos, please subscribe and share to your friends. Take care.